Hey guys, I just wanted to come and show you guys a wrap that I got for my center console. It was from Eevee Wraps on Amazon. The camera quality is pretty bad, and ignore my slides on, but it was a lot easier to install than what I thought it would be. Originally getting wraps, I was kind of skeptical on, how hard or easy it would be to install these things, but it was very easy. I just watched the YouTube channel that they had, or the YouTube link that they had attached to the directions, and as you can see, it went on very, very well. So if there's anybody who is has those same concerns about me, not about me, about these wraps and things like that, especially when you get to around the cup holder area, I can speak for Eevee Wraps and say that it was really good. The YouTube video helped a lot. And also, if you mess up, they send you another one for free. They cover shipping and all that. This is not sponsored, but you can see, it's a pretty damn good job. Every square inch of the console is covered. So no more ugly, glossy anything. So the only part that I chose not to wrap was this little bit up here, just because no one's gonna see that, and I don't really care enough. And plus, it's all the way up there, and I feel like it's gonna be pretty annoying to do. But other than that, everything is wrapped. Everything else is wrapped on here, and it fits pretty much perfectly. I am getting something for my cup holders because, as you can see, they already are disgusting. I am getting the performance pedals that I got from Abstract Ocean, I believe. I'm getting the floor mats. Don't worry, I know they're disgusting, but you can show as to why you should be replacing your floor mats. So I opted for I think it's Tasmanian all-weather floor mats. That's the one I'm going to be getting for the front and the back. Thinking about replacing is the puddle lights. There's nothing wrong with them. I just think it would look super dope if I was able to get the one that could project the Tesla T on the floor. I think that'll be cool. I'm still debating it. Also, I forgot to mention, this is a Model Y. Her name is Shuri. And I will be doing a lot more videos with her, so just stay tuned. I'm gonna try to do a video of all of the other products that I get. As of right now, it's not too many. It's just the pedals and the floor mats. Oh, and I got a from Teslarati, I think is what it is. I got one of those detachable front license plate, because I live in a state where you have to have a license plate in the front, which is a bummer. But if there's anything else that you guys think would look good in here, or anything from you guys that do have a Tesla, any accessories that you think are a must-have, please do let me know in the comments down below, and I will be sure to make a video about any of the ones that I do get. Until next time, guys, this is Shuri and Elvin, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.